Recently, the James Webb Space Telescope captured a scene that took everyone by surprise: a cosmic smile formed by a galactic collision. What looks like a simple smiley face to us is actually the result of two galaxies, cataloged as ARP-107, locked in a slow-motion collision which is about 670 million light-years away from Earth. In the vastness of the universe, there are galaxies that collide, merge, and reshape over billions of years. These two massive galaxies are distorted by their mutual gravitational pull, bending light and creating the illusion of a cosmic smile. You might find similarities with the ARP-107, with a different one called the Cartwheel galaxy, which is also going through the same process. However, they are not the same. One important cause of this smiling galaxy was due to the off-center. The smaller elliptical galaxy was colliding on with the larger spiral galaxy, which in this case was missing from the Cartwheel galaxy. Due to this collision, the spiral galaxy of this ARP-107 has managed to retain most of its structures except the spiral arms, which have been almost destroyed. When you look into the structure behind the smile taken by JWST, the near-transparent white color represents the bridge of stars that had been ripped apart, and when it comes to orange and red colors, represents the star-forming regions in the interstellar medium. What makes Webb unique is its ability to observe phenomena like this with such clarity. Galaxies, gas clouds, and even black holes. Nothing escapes its view. Galactic collisions like this are common in the universe. Over millions of years, these galaxies will eventually merge, forming a single larger galaxy. But it's not all chaos. These collisions trigger bursts of star formation, recycling cosmic material to form new generations of stars. But if the collision were to be different, it would disperse the stars, gas, and dust clouds, which would deprive the galaxies without enough material needed to form new stars. The smiling galactic collision is not just a fascinating image, but a reminder of the beauty and chaos of the cosmos. If you like this video, do watch this video on how our Milky Way galaxy is also going through the same situation, or this video on how astronomers have discovered the largest, longest black hole jets ever found. Don't forget, subscribe for more space news.